All right, so as a whole bunch of you guys have clearly already seen, yesterday H&K came out on their social media, their array of social media channels, with what I have to admit is an extremely cool memed out image of Gun Jesus, of me with an HK416 in one hand and a copy of my book in the other hand. And they said some extremely flattering things about me, which is always cool. It's hard to get tired of that. NHK would like to point out that they made the book possible by selling the French army the HK416F, thus allowing the book to end very cleanly with the FAMAS and not have to try and get into what the army was producing and using today. So anyway, it's a pretty cool image. Nic and James, my partners at Headstamp, saw that, jumped all over it, went, "Oh, we have to make posters out of this." And so any vote I might have had in the matter has been overruled, and we are now offering that as a poster through the Headstamp Publishing website. So we are offering a couple $1 discount to anybody who has ordered a book from the Kickstarter as a bit of a thank you. You will find that in a backer-only update over on Kickstarter. So I have a link in the description text below to Headstamp's merchandise page where you can pick up a copy of that poster if you would like one. And I guess that's actually happening. So cool. It's a freaking awesome image. But I try not to play up that meme too much. I guess the cat's out of the bag on that one, huh? Anyway, thanks guys. I'm gonna go console myself by looking at how well the Kickstarter's doing.